For over 8 decades, we have been driven to create a better way. Ideas that began as a single spark are now products and solutions used worldwide. Our passion for innovation and our ability to apply material science has taken Avery Dennison from a company once defined by labels to one that defies being labeled at all. From the assembly line to the retail shelf, our solutions bridge the physical and digital worlds, making an impact on virtually every industry imaginable. Today, we are unleashing the potential of our employees worldwide, challenging them to think boldly and sustainably. We are using our boundless imagination to invent materials that do more and use less. It is this endless courage and determination, this spark, that is at the heart of everything we do. A spirit of innovation, the drive to serve as a force for good. This is what makes us Avery Dennison.